Alright, so here we are today looking at my Toro Power Clear with the R-Tek 2-cycle engine on it. This thing runs really well. I mean, it moves snow really well, but I pulled it out this year and it just didn't want to start, and I decided it was time to just kind of like replace the carburetor, replace the spark plug, and I did all of that. Brand new carburetor, brand new spark plug, high quality gasoline, no ethanol, high quality 2-stroke engine oil. Got it all back together, but let me show you what's going on here. Turn the key on, choke on, prime it. Alright, so you'd think after it would warm up it might stop surging or something, but it doesn't do that. I've had this thing sitting out for half an hour or more, just letting it run to see if something will clear up or whatever. But it is a brand new carburetor and a new fuel system and everything, so let me show you what I think is going on. Alright, so with the snowblower up on its nose, what we're going to do is take that screw out right there, and we're going to take that cover off. Alright, I close the garage door because it's getting a little cold outside. So here we are, we're going to take this off. And then we're looking at the carburetor. Alright, so we put the carburetor back on and get the light down in there. Right here, this curved piece of linkage right here, okay, that is what is connected to the governor, and that's what's going to be opening and closing the carburetor. So I think what's going to have to happen is I need to pinch that a little bit so it puts a little bit more pressure on the carburetor and lets a little bit more gas in to stop that surging. So let's do that and see if it makes a difference. Alright, so the tricky bit is to reach in there. I've got a needle nose pliers here. I'm going to reach in there and pinch that together. And unfortunately you won't be able to see it on the video because my hand is going to be in the way, but let me get her done here. Put my light down so I can do this with two hands. Alright, so you can see maybe you can see that I pinched it together a little bit. So let's start it up and see what happens. Alright, so I think it's a little bit better, but I'm going to pinch it a little bit more and try again. Alright, I pinched it some more. Let's see what happens. That might have been a bit too much. Now I gotta unbend it. I think I'm gonna get a screwdriver in there now and kind of pry it back apart. All right. All right, a little bit more pinching again. All right, I'm going to keep tweaking it until it's good. Ooh, that might be a bit much. I think that's about perfect. Yeah, I think we got her. That's about perfect. It runs pretty steady. So, hey. All right, I'm also going to show you here how to adjust the RPMs if needed. Kind of a standard rule of thumb for snowblowers is about 3,600 RPMs. But I'm going to show you what you can adjust on this thing to make those RPMs different if you need to. All right, so looking at the carburetor on this side, you can see this metal tab and it has a spring on it. If you need to adjust the RPMs, you're going to bend this tab either away from the carburetor this way to increase the RPMs or bend it back to decrease the RPMs. So again, the standard RPMs for most snowblowers is about 3,600. So. All right, so there we go. The Toro Power Clear is now no longer surging. The RPMs have been adjusted to about 3,600 RPMs, and now we just gotta wait for more snow. All right, thanks for watching.